Earlier, children used to grow up playing in the soul, but now they are growing up rubbing the fingers on the mobile screens. Earlier, children used to insist on getting toys. Today, they insist on getting mobiles. Less toys in their hands. We think we have just given the phone for a little while, but this very little while slowly become their habit. After then a need and then an addiction, the child appears to be sitting peacefully, but from inside they are slowly moving away from the real world. Family conversations start feeling unnecessary. Screen have not stolen child time. Children, they have stolen their childhood. Tomorrow, these children may become technologically smart, but they may also become emotionally weak. What are we doing with children? They are crying, give them a mobile. Not eating food, turn on cartoons. Not sitting quietly, hand them a phone slowly. Slowly, the mobile becomes not just entertainment, but their habit. Then, without the phone, they get angry, and the real world starts feeling boring. They start liking screen brightness more than the sunlight outside. Now, while sitting in one room, they can see the whole world but remain unaware of the world around them. Parents feel happy, the child is not disturbing, sitting quietly, but this peace is not real. It is silence brought by the screen. Slowly, children start searching for every emotional solution inside a mobile, and this is where dependency begins. Then, without a mobile, food feels tasteless. Without cartoons, the mind becomes irritated, and without internet, the world starts feeling incomplete. The real problem is not the mobile, the problem is its usage without limit. For children, technology is not bad, but if childhood is spent inside screens, then where will memories be made? Childhood is no longer become being spent in playgrounds. It is being spent in screen. Think, are we making children smart or just dependent on screen? Mobile is not making children busy, but emotionally empty because mobile do not create memories. They only consume moments. They are getting high speed internet but losing a slow childhood. Remember, by giving children mobiles, you may save time, but if they save that saved time is not spent with them, then maybe children will never come back. Childhood will never come back. A place where they look at you, learn from you, and create memories with you. Otherwise, one day, everyone will be sitting together in the house, but everyone world will be inside different screens. Children are not becoming addicted to mobiles on their own. They are being made habitual of them. Taking mobiles away from the children is not the solutions because habits are not changed by force but by environment. If a child asks for a phone all the time, then it is not just screen addiction, it is addiction to instant entertainment. To remove this habit, the first step is don't make mobile a reward. Eat your food and you will get the phone. This line increase the phone value even more in the child mind. Second, give alternatives. Don't just take away from the child. Replace it with the drawing, puzzles, outdoor games, stories, or family activities. Third, be an example yourself. If parents are on screen all the time, then it is difficult to keep the children away from the phones. Children learn, listen less, and learn more by observing. Fourth, set a fixed rule of screen time. Neither complete freedom nor complete restriction. Balance is necessary. And most importantly, children don't need phones, they need your time, because many times children are not addicted to mobiles. They are just hungry for attention. Remember, before removing the mobile, it is important to build a relationship, because when children are emotionally connected, screen dependency automatically start reducing. Don't snatch from away from the children. Show them a better world than that. According to you, how much screen time should children get? If you agree, then share. Please like and subscribe to the channel Rethink John Naya Nazariya and press the bell icon so that we upcoming videos reaches you. Comment and let us know how you liked our video. Thank you.